Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Peel a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and thinly slice or grate it to release the oils. Put 250 ml of water into a small pot and add the ginger. Bring to a gentle simmer for 5-7 minutes. This extracts the active compounds that help digestion and reduce bloating. Once done, turn off the heat and let the infusion steep 2 minutes so flavor deepens. Meanwhile, cut a half lemon and have a sieve ready to strain. Once you've strained the hot ginger water into a mug, squeeze in the half lemon and stir. You do this because lemon adds vitamin C and acidity that supports digestion and signals your gut to prepare for food. Taste it, and if it's too sharp, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Make sure not to add too much sugar though, since that defeats the goal. Drink this warm about 20 to 30 minutes before a main meal to help control appetite and reduce bloating. You're finishing by making this a simple routine. Have the ginger lemon drink daily for 1 to 2 weeks and combine it with balanced meals and light activity. This consistency helps regulate digestion and can reduce water retention. If you experience heartburn or throat irritation, make sure to cut the ginger quantity in half or steep less time. That usually fixes sensitivity. And if symptoms persist, you should consult a clinician, especially.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.